The wind and the sun. Question and answers. New words: road, coat, quickly, stronger, cheeks. 1. Road, an open way for travel or transportation. Example sentences are: we took the country road to meet our relatives. There was a traffic jam on the road. Coat, an outer garment with sleeves to make you feel warm. Example sentences are: I will be wearing coat at the party tonight. She gifted me a black coat on my birthday. Quickly, at a fast speed. Example sentences are: we walked quickly to catch the train. The dog ran quickly to catch the cat. Stronger, more powerful. Example sentences are: Rohan is stronger than Smith. The sun was stronger than the wind. Cheeks, either side of the face below the eye. Example sentences are: her cheeks are pink in color. My cheeks get red during winters. 1. To be successful or victory. Example sentences are: our team won the football match. Saima won the winner championship trophy this year. Reading is fun. What did the wind do to get the man's coat off? Answer: the wind began to blow hard to get the man's coat off. What did the sun do to get the man's coat off? Answer: the sun shone hot to get the man's coat off. Who won in the end? Answer: the sun won in the end. Question 4. Who said this to whom? I can get his coat off more quickly than you can do. I will let you try first. How cold it is! I give up. I cannot get his coat off. I have won. Answers: I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. The wind said to the sun, I will let you try first. The sun said to the wind, how cold it is! The man to himself, I give up. I cannot get his coat off. The wind said to the sun, I have won. The sun to the wind. Rohan tries to snatch Geeta's new book from her. What do you think is the best thing to do? Choose an answer. It would be best if Geeta talks to Rohan. It is so because after having a discussion with Rohan, she will get to know why Rohan wants to have the book. Be the case that Rohan would have needed the book urgently. Find a rhyming word from the story for each of these words: bun, hold, boat, fan, sunny, pot. Answer: bun, turn, hold, cold. Boat, coat, fan, can. Sunny, funny, pot, hot. Here are some doing words in the story: walking, smiling, blowing, pulling. Find 3 more doing words in the story that end in ing and then write them here. Answer: walking, puffing, shining. Choose the right word from the box below and fill in the blanks. Pulled, took, blew, felt, wanted, started. Answer: one day the wind and the sun had a competition. They wanted to make a man take off his coat. First, the wind blew hard. The man pulled his coat tightly round himself. Then the sun started shining hard. The man felt hot and he took off his coat. Look at these pair of words with opposite meanings: hot, cold, big, small, strong, weak. Answers: good, bad, hard, soft, tall, short, black, white. Look at the picture and complete the words in the puzzles. Kindly refer the textbook for the images. Question. Answer.